Hey guys, hope you're well. Yeah, so today we're going to be looking at creating a UK lottery number generator. Lottery number generator. Okay, cool. So I'm going to use the random library. So import random SR. Okay, cool. Yeah, so other side note, guys, yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe and please share the videos with your friends. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna create a function. So def and then lotto, right? And then name equals input. Okay, and then L is the list of numbers. Okay, so it's gonna be from the range 1 to 60. Okay, so 60 is not going to be included anyway, it's not included, right? Okay, so it's going to be 1 to 59, and you know, so the numbers in the UK, the lottery in the UK is between 1 to 59. Okay, right, and then yeah, cracking on. So print. Okay, so pick your numbers, actually capital, so pick your numbers. Okay, space and then plus name. Okay, and then play is equal to string my numbers are. Okay, and then so r.sample and then L and then 6 numbers that I need to pick. Okay, then return play. Right, so I've created my function. Right, so let's test it. So lotto, so input, so I'm going to think of mark, so there marks numbers for the lottery, then lotto again. Okay, think of the name, Beth. So there we are. Okay, cool. So just testing it again, so it doesn't repeat. It doesn't repeat the numbers anyway because I'm using a sample. Now think of a name, Tanya. There we are. Up to the final one. So Lotto. And then think of a dude's name, John. There we are. Cool. So yeah, so it's just a random generator, just a simple program to generate your lottery numbers. Okay, cool. So yeah, so thanks guys for watching, and I'm gonna type this. Good luck, and I hope you win the jackpot. Bravo. Thank you. Bye bye.